The Tyre Sensors Not Detected check Handbook error in Ford Focus vehicles from 2012 to 2024 indicates a problem with the tire pressure monitoring system. This direct TPMS uses sensors embedded in each tire to transmit pressure data wirelessly to the car's computer or ECU via radio signals. The error appears when the ECU loses connection with one or more sensors. You might see this on the dashboard display, showing tire pressure information. Common causes include sensor failure, dead batteries that last about 5 to 7 years, electronic interference, or needing reprogramming after tire rotations. Modern Ford Focus vehicles from 2023 onwards may receive over-the-air software updates, enabling TPMS recalibration without visiting a dealership. First, manually check your tire pressures to ensure they're at the recommended levels. To attempt a reset, try the manual procedure. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine for 3 seconds. Then drive at a steady speed above 25 miles per hour for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the sensors to relearn. If this doesn't work, consider using an OBD2 scanner with TPMS capabilities like Ford IDS or apps like Torque Pro to initialize the system. If problems persist, the sensors may need replacing with OEM Ford parts, such as part number 4M5Z1A1A-AA, followed by recalibration. Remember that TPMS is a supplemental system. Always verify tire pressure manually, and if all attempts fail, consult a qualified mechanic.